It's Take Your Followers to Work Day. Come with me as I create some content for an assignment with Penn. I want to show you all of this one-man show. So I'm here. I booked the studio for an hour and a half, and I felt like last time it was a little bit rushed. I only had an hour, so I'm hoping that an hour and a half gives me more time to like do a few little rounds of videos, and I can just like create extra bits, not just the assignment that I'm doing today. I know this sounds stupid, but before any shoot, whether it's like content, videos, whatever, if you're talking, make sure you eat before you do your videos. Make sure you have water with you, because you need to be on, like, especially that I booked an hour and a half. Like, you got to be sharp, you got to be on, so just take care of yourself. Okay, now I'm getting ready for the great schlep. My pro tip is these big bags with handles, big openings, just for better accessibility, and they're easy to travel with. I booked a room at SkyeStudio for an hour and a half. This is in Ottawa. It's so good for content creators and photographers. They have everything that you need. It's beautiful, it's clean. They have 3 different rooms to choose from, and one of the rooms is rotating, so the decor changes. As soon as I got in, I started doing my setup. So that's the tripod, camera, etc. And then I have to set up all the clothes, put everything on hangers. They have a steamer on site, which is super helpful, and it's actually a really good one. Now, while I'm doing this, of course, I'm running through all the looks in my head. Ideally, I should have printed them out so I can just like access them really easily. So if you're doing this like with a team, you might want to have like a board with all the looks printed out. It'll be so much smoother. Okay, and now it's time to film that content. Tell me why I didn't use the Bluetooth remote that I brought. 2024 will be the year I work smarter, not harder. All right, friends, we are back. Hair's done. I'm done. That's a wrap. I was starving, so I went to Mr. Cack to treat myself. It's minutes away from the studio. It's like a baklava with a cream inside. Listen to that crunch. I also posted this review and it's going viral on TikTok right now. Editing Shancy here. I forgot to like end the video. I was so exhausted. So I made the best of my hour and a half. I did like my 2 big assignments. And then I also managed to create this video, so lots of content opportunities. I hope you guys liked that video. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow for more mid-sized Canadian fashion adventures. Bye!